Wondering how you might fit on this bike? Coming right up, I'm going to show how riders 5 foot to 6'7" might potentially fit on this motorcycle. Today I'll be showing both feet down and seated positions for all our featured riders. Keep in mind, when viewing these images, my ergonomic examples won't factor in a wide seat. A wider than normal seat will further impact a shorter rider's reach to the ground. My renders also won't show suspension sag. I'm using the manufacturer's stock press images and they always show the bike unladen. That is, without any weight applied. This is also how manufacturers measure seat height, with the bike unladen. Depending on how the suspension preload is adjusted, the bike may sag a little or it may sag a lot. The bottom line is, these renders will show the worst case scenario, and in terms of reach to the ground, the situation will only improve when the rider's weight is applied. My test dummies all show average height inside leg measurements. If you have a longer torso and a shorter inside leg, or a shorter torso and longer inside leg than average, your result will differ from the riders shown in these examples. Now remember, everything I'm showing you here is only a guide. At the end of the day, your best bet is to head down to your local dealer and throw a leg over the bike. But having said that, I feel these renders should still serve as a good indication of the ergonomic comfort for each bike shown. Now let's compare your own personal inside leg measurement. To get your inside leg measurement, measure from the ground to your groin with your favourite riding boots on. Hopefully you find this video to be of value and can now see how your own body proportions might compare to this motorcycle. My goal of the Do I Fit series is to gradually work my way through most of the range of the bikes currently available from all of the manufacturers. So look out for new bike videos being uploaded weekly. I'll leave a direct link to the Do I Fit series in the description below. Thanks heaps for watching this video today, and hopefully I'll see all of you again in the next one. Bye for now. G'day, I'm Paul, and here are a couple of other Bikes I Like videos you might enjoy, and if you'd like to subscribe, click the logo right here.